What's the advantage of having 3 locations? I'm often asked this, and people are skeptical maybe. We have the same equipment. We have the same controllers in the CNC machines, in the vacuum forming machines that we have in all 3 of the plants. What we can do is we can move a job from Metuchen, New Jersey to Charlotte, North Carolina. Maybe the customer needs to get closer. He needs it formed closer. Or maybe it's a capacity issue. Maybe the customer's got an emergency. We didn't create the emergency, the hurricane did. But we're gonna try to help them out. We're more than likely gonna move their tools from Metuchen down to North Carolina to get this done quicker for him. We move people, we move the tools, we can move material between. Everybody is trained in our plants to run the same equipment. And that's the beauty of what C&K has done. Ownership through the years have kept it all consistent from one plant to the other. And our training is consistent. Our quality is very consistent. We've got quality within all 3 plants. All 3 plants work together. We all have the same certifications. And that is a real key if you're got to have a company and you've got a need, that we can take care of that need in a number of places. I've got customers that I form parts from in all 3 locations because of where they want them shipped to. We do parts this size all the way up to 14 feet. We do 48 inches deep. We do vacuum forming, we do pressure forming, and we do twin sheet forming. But on top of that, we do assembly, we do fabrication, we do fulfillment. So if you're looking for any of these processes, or you think you might be looking for a plastic process, C&K may be your answer.
At C&K, the process is simple. We mold it, we cut it, and then we ship it.
Thermoforming is lighter with lower cost tooling, no fooling for corrosion-free, dent-free, crack-free parts. Made in the USA.